Boys and girls, welcome back. It's time for our TK reading comprehension lesson today, and we're going to continue with thinking about the weather. I know we've been talking about it for a little while now, but we're going to keep going. Another different kind of weather I want you to think about today is rain. We had some rain over the weekend, and I have a little bit of informational text that I want to share with you today about rain. I'm going to go back to my book that I showed you the other day about the weather, and I'm going to read just a little bit that's in here, and then I'm also going to go back to my book about weather words and what they mean, and we have a little more information in here too. So let's check it out. Remember, informational text gives us real information about a person, a place, or a thing. So today we're going to get real information about the rain. And this informational text does not have photographs. Yesterday, my book about clouds had photographs in it, real pictures. This informational text has illustrations in it. Information is still real. It just has illustrations instead of photographs, and that's okay. So today, this says, clouds and rain. Clouds shade us from the sun, and they carry rain around the world. Rain helps plants and animals live and grow. The rain fills the rivers, which run down to the lakes and to the seas. See, here's enjoying a sunny day. So then over here we have some questions. It says, what are clouds made of? So we're going to start with that first. And it says, and we learned this yesterday in our book, clouds are made of tiny drops of water floating in the air. And then the second question says, how is rain made? Sometimes the tiny drops of water in the clouds stick together and grow into much bigger drops. Those big drops fall as rain. And the last one says, do all clouds make rain? That's a good question. And it says, no, most rain is made in thick, dark clouds. And here we have some things over here for the wet weather. We have an umbrella that keeps the rain off of us, a coat that keeps you warm and dry, and rubber boots to keep your feet nice and dry. I see when it's raining at school, sometimes you guys come to school with these things. You come with umbrellas and raincoats and rain boots. And I have some more informational text. Let's look in my book about weather words. I'm going to read to you a little bit by Gail Gibbons about the rain. And again, it starts with clouds because that's where it comes from. It says, I'm going to start up here. Rain forms inside rain clouds. The water vapor that evaporates from below forms tiny water drops. So there's water below down here. And the water vapor is what comes off. It evaporates. That means it rises up and it comes off. And it goes up, and as it goes up, it forms into tiny water drops. The tiny drops join together and become bigger drops. When they are heavy enough, they fall, and that gives us rain. So the little teeny tiny droplets we don't feel, but when they get together with other drops to make bigger drops, then that's when we get rain, and they get so heavy that that's what makes them fall from the sky. Rain comes down in different ways. A drizzle is when raindrops are very small, and sometimes we just have a little drizzle. A shower is a brief rainfall, so when it comes down just like for a quick little bit of time, that's a shower, a rain shower. A normal rain lasts longer. That's just what we call rain, just when it lasts a little longer, like over the weekend it was rain. And then a rainstorm is when there are strong winds and lots of rain. And there's a rainstorm. And sometimes there's wind too with it. It's usually there's a storm. Sometimes there are floods when it rains for a long time. And we haven't had anything like that. So there's some information about some different kinds of rain and where rain comes from. So then I want you to think about, like you did yesterday, our page, the rain is, the rain has, the rain can. I know you don't have this page, and that's okay. Your family could write this for you, and you can finish the sentence on your own using your sounds to write what you hear and tell me the rain is what? What are you going to tell me? And you can tell me the rain has, what does it have? What can you tell me the rain has? And the rain can. What can the rain do? We heard about a couple things that the rain can do, and you're going to tell me the rain is, the rain has, the rain can. I want you to use your sounds to finish the sentence. Do the best you can, write what you hear, and make me a little picture too. Maybe you do all three of them. Maybe you only do one part of them. You do the best you can. Then I also want you to tell me, draw me a picture, show me. I was going to give you this picture today in class. And you're not there. Maybe you can draw me a picture about the rain, whether you like the rain or you don't like the rain. That's your opinion, telling me how you feel about the rain, or making me a picture and showing me something you like to do in the rain. The other day I put on my rain boots and my raincoat and I took my umbrella and I went outside and I walked in the rain, and I walked through the puzzles and I had a great time because it felt calm to me and it was really nice. So you are going to think about the rain, talk about the rain with your family, tell me the rain is, the rain has, the rain can, or give me your opinion about the rain and draw me something about the rain. Can't wait to see what you get for me. Bye.